Alam mo, pinipigil ako magmarating. Ay, rawag! Huwag mo pilitin magsalita ng masama dito. Mamura.
Sige, go lang.
Thanks, yo.
Dami mo na pamilya ko. Ano pang masama yun?
Ano ba man laban ko? Tiyado na ako.
Hi, Beanie Jasper. Oh.
This is Evangeline. Jennifer.
This is Nuevo! Ayan si Geraldine.
Randy, mas maganda yung Randy.
Si Randy. Hoy, Evangeline, wala kang wala kang
Walang ano.
Walang kuha. Suka?
Hey! Parang yun sana. Hey! Is you! Paano yan? He's the editor. Say hi. Mag-hi ka.
We are planning our design for new
He's editing the pep shirt.
and we're deciding if we choose the step of shirt. But the generals he was giving.
Yeah, it's a very giving.
Say my name.
Asan yung sa likod?
People in the
Sa harap,
I'll be rocking
Diba
the
naman
beat.
yun?
May ganun eh.
I am people in the world. Say my name.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
People in the beat?
People.
I'll be rocking on the beat.
I'll be rocking on the beat. People in the
YouTube
world.
mo nga kasi ito yung kanta. Actually, meron akong candy shop eh.
What's candy shop?
Nakita ko sa Pilipinas. Kasi the candy shop.
Pauso na naman siya. Narinig niyo ba yun?
Ano yung sinabi siya? Happy birthday. We're gonna party like that.
We're gonna party.
Umalis ka na.
Hey vlog, it's us again. Anim na tao na nagsabi sa'yo. Edi true. Guys, na mga problema siya.
Mataasan eh.
Sige na nga, 4 na rin ako.
Patingin, pakita namin. Tignan niyo kasi guys, oh.
5, 4, 5. Edi 4 na rin ako.
Eh siya, ikaw Nar, ilan yung orderin mo Nar?
Ilan ba pa mo?
Ano naman, dalawa pa ako eh. Isa pa ako.
Nagpapakita ang gilas kasi yung mga tao dito. Bakit kasi may 5 pairs? Ba't may 5 pairs? May price naman dyan ah. Oo.
Edit ko nga akin to. Kung kailan na yung mahaba na. Kung kailan mahaba na.
Pwede mo naman gawin ah. Mag-send ka na lang ulit. Si Paul pala na classmate mo ah.
Tignan mo, ilang ganun, bilangin mo. Isa,
Hindi mo na ganun ng ganyan yan.
Yes.
Next contestant!
Me.
Nakakahiro pala.
Vlog. This is me, myself and me.
This is
Vlog tayo. Mag-vlog tayo ng
Anong day na
Today is
kaya
15
natin?
days before
Oh my
our
God.
comeback. Exactly. So today is the last day of May.
Yes.
And ayun, we're starting to count down na.
Dapat bukas eh. So, start na ngayon.
BRB.
Iba naman kami.
And we're back!
Update
bilis
ko
ng
sa
BRB.
ano. Binubugbog po ako dito.
Brush na po ako.
Go, bako na hininga mo.
BRB!
Si Ate!
Hi guys.
Hi guys, this is us after training.
Kaya danter dito.
Kapoy!
This is us after training, y'all. Danter, say hi to my vlog.
Vlog.
Gagag.
Nakahawak ng phone.
Hala, sabi niyo, Kyodil.
Te! Say hi!
Hi! This is me after prayers.
Good boy. Boy, pero kaya na yun.
Kaya dan, say hi.
Gutom na ako mo inaanak.
Mababa lang kami saglit magpapakita.
Bakit yun ako sabi na no? Bulletin board.
Look at this dude.
So what's our agenda?
So guys, we'll watch on the job of it.
Nag-toothbrush talaga siya. Mark!
Nagtututbrush siya guys. Congrats, Nor!
Anong masasabi mo kay Jobert? Anong masasabi mo kay Jobert na?
Bantayin natin next day ulit.
Hi! This is
First, ano, bago mag-first appointment?
Bago mag-first
June 1.
Yan one first run! Lagi akala ko sa Ate Glaya.
14 days.
Ako pala.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, Frosty.
Mayari ng Pautulog.
Hi guys.
So, nagkakantay kami. Training. Vlog takeover guys.
Salaming daan, sorry. Salaming dancer.
Maraming dancer. And Angel Backwards. Angel Backs. Tulog. Tulog. Mahirap gisingin yung ate ko na yan. Hindi mo. Sampalin mo yan, di magigising.
Oh, bawa mo.
Dito. Ngayon lang tropa.
Ano? Okay. What's up guys? This is Steven Vlogs and today tatalunin po namin yung Angels Vlog na sinasabi niyo kasi ang pangit ng content ko. Ang boring. So, eto na. Andito na yung Steven's Vlog na papanoorin nyo at aabangan nyo with our very own Marsha Laguda. Say hi! Para sa more updates, please like and share. So, andito po si ang ate ko, pagod. Dahil nag-swimming sa Rizal. Kapal ng mukha, di ba? Hindi nag-training. So, ayan guys. So, please subscribe with my new YouTube channel which is Steven's Vlog. Which is, tataubin natin ang Angels Vlog. Hi! Always remember, subscribe to Steven's Vlog para mataob na yung videos.
Hi guys, nandito na naman kami sa training guys. Tangina, wala nang kapaguran. Training na lang, training. Ano ba yan?
Hello guys, I'm Rocky B. Regaspi and welcome back to my channel. Here we are at 5th floor of the gym building of Emilio Aguinaldo College, and later in the afternoon, like 1 p.m. or so, we're gonna start our training, which is gonna take about 3 to 4 hours, and we're gonna run our routine and see what we can do, if we can do it cleanly, you know.
At kailangan
Yes,
namin
Mac
matapos ng maaga guys kasi birthday ni John Third.
Birthday ni John Third pala ngayon.
It's my birthday!
May regalo ko sa kanya, 2 dildo.
Birthday ko ngayon. Ano ngayon? Happy birthday! Tangina mo, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto. Pack you, bitch. Bawal pala yan sa vlog.
Bawal mura sa vlog ko.
Cut!
Umalis ka dyan! What would you say? This is our after run. Yes, what will you, why did you cry? Ayan.
This is me after run. 2 runs, motherfucker.
Yes. Aww. May papakitang gilas ng batche ko. Graduate na siya. Graduate na siya. Nora, or you Nor? Say hi to my vlog, Nor. Magawa siya guys. Talaga.
Good morning.
Kaya, galit ako sa kanya, hindi ka marunong mag-reply. Nare-receive mo pa?
Nag-notice siya, hindi ko mabuksan nga.
Aga-aga na ni Nermon.
Ah!
Nermon siya guys, oh. Sinasara.
Pinar.
Mo lang na, thank you so much.
No, I'm sad. Because? That's a phone. Guys, tomorrow is our cheer camp na. Morning, Coach! Hi to my vlog! Uy, busy ka naman dyan.
Vlog mo ko.
Sige, vlog kita.
So, we're gonna tahit dito kasi
New tissues, please.
yung letra naka-rebel.
Nakatingin pala si Coach.
Yung letra naka-rebel sila.
Weba? Okay, sana all.
Nakabag.
Nakabag na rebel, pero ano yung laman? K-pa? Sorry.
Rebel.
Kabog. Magkano ba rebel?
Need help pa?
Guys, press kami ng tali.
Ate Angel.
Problema mo? Thank you, Kap. Kap, please, nag-thank you na ako. Agapan mo na yung shoes ko, please.
Yung maliit lang yung ginamit ko kanina. May binigay ako sa'yo, te.
Na?
Wala ko eh.
Arty ng mga ate ko. Sila, guys. Aagapan niya yan, guys. Ano niyo po, contact niyo po si Carl Angelo Onciano on FB for repair ng cheer shoes. Lo, talagang focus na focus ka ka ba?
Diba tayo? Focus sa goal.
Ano? Hi guys! Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Angel B.
Guys, mag-run na kami. Isang run lang today kasi may atapog na kami. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Ay, sa'yo pala yan. Bakal magmura.
Ayusin. Ayusin. Feeling. Guys, kakonfiscate na yung phone namin.
Let's freaking go, Angel.
Bye-bye. Patay na, patay na, patay na, patay na.
Merry Christmas, guys. 2 days before Christmas.
Fuck you. Ay.
Pray na tayo.
Hi! This is us after training. Kasi injured yung ate ko. Guys, nandito sa clip. Ah, may video pala.
My flyer and
Ala! Hoy, may bumi!
Okay, wait. The days before.
Hi, Coach.
Ano po yung days before?
So, anong days before? 14 days. Ay, 13 days before competition and tignan mo yung tsura ni Coach. Hi, Coach.
Angel B, subscribe.
Say hi. Oh my God. Hi. Iganto natin tas mahuhulog.
Kaninong po?
Thank you, DJ Jojo.
Subscribe to
Thank you,
Angel B. Angel B.
Sabi mo, thank you, DJ Jojo.
Ano? BTS?
Ito kami ngayon.
Thank you,
yung
DJ
iniwan.
Jojo. Thank you, DJ Blaze and Baby Leon Blaze for doing our NCH.
Ayoko!
And 5678.
Thank you, DJ Jojo. Uy, nanonood siya ko. Guys, ayan na yung mga OMG! Long time! Long time no in the vlog.
I'm back!
Yes, he's back, bitches.
I'm back, bitch!
Where you from? Where you from? 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 Sabihin mo na, come on, tell us. Tell us. Come on, come on. From Australia. Go, boys.
Isang linggo pagkakawala.
Isang linggo, 2 weeks yun, kuya. 2 weeks yan, ha? 2 weeks.
Ano yung gawin ka? Mura din natin.
Aya, he's back again. Yan, may vlog ko yan.
Sagwa ko.
Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Sagwa ng mukha ako, nakahubad, tapos post ko.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Kapon ka. Auntie Adele. Yeah, ito may vlog.
After stress month summer.
Kap! Kap! Yeah, it's my vlog.
Una lang yan.
Ayan siya, after ng 4 days.
Yes.
4 runs.
Yes!
Unang routine pa lang nagabag na yung palm.
Ate Clay! Yeah, it's my vlog. Ala, ba't ganyan na yung smile? Smile!
Sabi ko kaya yes,
Let's go.
makinig ka lang na makinig muna. Para nang wala. Kumbaga, gagaling na. Lalaki.
Vlog.
Yo, pagod na kami lahat. Gusto namin ng work. Ano oras na doon?
It's 7. Narsi, ito may vlog.
Hi guys.
Ano nangyari ngayong
Watch
araw?
us. Watch us compete at June 19. See you there.
Yes, at Mo Arena. Mo Arena.
See you out there. See you out there. See ito may vlog.
Hi vlog, I'm so tired. I wanna
Yes.
go home.
Look at her, ano. You
Makikita mo sa vlog dyan,
I'm
Jill,
still
ah.
slaying.
May kakat yan, ah.
Papamanicure pa daw siya. May guesting kasi sila bukas. Yeah. Everyone is back.
Yan.
Yeah, ito may vlog. This is my vlog, bitch.
Walin mo ang pusa.
Meow ka nga. Meow daw.
Kailan naman gusto ko sabihin? Me too. Kasi
Sino nataki ko? Sino nataki ko?
Hindi naman tayo dito. This is not the portrait. Kung gaano sila ka-excited mag-training. Ta-da! Hi, ate. Hello nga! Ano? Sino? Si ate. Ayaw nga pala. Hey! This is us after training, guys. Ha? Video?
After run.
Not yet. Yes, this is us after run. This is us after run.
So far, so bad, guys.
Yoko sa'yo. Ate! Ate! Say hi, Nar. It's 10 days before our NCAA. What will you say?
I hope my 10 days after gonna get the stance and hoping for a good performance.
Ate, what will you say? It's 10 days na lang. And then, NCAA na! Uy, makaka-copyright tayo dyan. Makaka-copyright tayo dyan.
Makakapagdagat na ako.
Hala, you can go.
Aga.
Perfect! Bye, guys. See you, Siargao.
See you, Shargo. Bye, Peps Call.
Ah!
Mag-a-affam na ako, di na ako bawal.
Say hi.
Morning.
Say hi. It's 10 days na lang. Nar, say hi.
Ay,
What will you say? It's 10 days na lang.
Laban lang. Bakit ano ka laban?
Parang pilit pa. Go. 10 days before.
ayun, kuya. Sige, may kasama namin.
Ten days before, 10 days.
Yung may compet kayo, yung 10 days before compet na lang, pero rumarami pa rin kayo. 11 na sila nakauwi.
Totoo.
Yes. Tapos naman di pa kami.
Daming time. Hi guys, it's 10 days before. Nar, what will you say? It's 10 days na lang.
I'm feeling excited to
And
show
anxious and nervous
to show our
and
skills and our fighting spirit.
yes. So we're gonna interview the people who rolled the linoleum. Nar, what will you say? It's 10 days na lang.
Watch us compete.
Ito naman hindi na iba yung nakakaasar. Hi, what will you say? It's 10 days na lang.
Walang kaba.
Ay, sorry.
Nakakaba kasi wala pa kami nabubuo talaga, guys.
Feeling mo. Ang humble nyo na naman, guys. Lana, saan si A niya ipapakita, guys, Lan. Nara, what will you say? It's 10 days na lang.
Morning. Sana makabuo kami kahit pa pa. 10
Yes.
days na lang. Ito na yung first dance namin na Angel.
Yeah.
Yo lang kami last year eh.
Yes.
Black na.
Black Nar. Yung kuya ko, papansin na naman, oh.
Of course, just this is the last video that I start in this month.
Wow.
So see you in hindi na makita sa season 100.
Uy!